Hi, my name is Anthony Ganci. I'm a part-time lecturer at Boston University, and I teach AD 725 Negotiations and Conflict Management. I went to school with BU several years ago, and I spent my career in supply chain, most of it in sourcing negotiations, both as a buyer and a seller. Negotiations and conflict management is really tied to any number of courses within Metropolitan College, be it from project management or supply chain. The course is somewhat theoretical, but mostly hands-on. Every week we have a live role play, which allows the students to apply the concepts with other students in a live negotiation. Those negotiations are a lot more realistic than you would think. In order to do well in the simulations, students have to apply the frameworks. And they get very competitive doing that, and it's a lot of fun. Students who normally take this course fall into two groups. They either have some experience in sales or sourcing negotiations and project management, and they want to advance their negotiation skills. Or they're students who are somewhat uncomfortable with conflict and they're not comfortable with their negotiation skills and they want to get better at that. My personal goal in teaching this course is to give each student an ROI and create value for them. For some students, that'll mean enable them to advance a career in either sales or supply chain management or project management. For all students, it'll help them develop the skills required to do things like negotiate a salary, buy a car, buy a house, or just interfacing in their personal lives with people around them. At the end of the day, the students get an ROI from taking this course.